takes courage to get you outside of the box. It takes courage to be successful. It takes courage to win. People don't talk about people that don't win. If you win, they're going to talk about you. Do you have the courage?
Guys, I'm not going to lie to you today. It's time we start preparing for what is about to happen. We've just gotten a sucker punch to the gut today, especially for the XRP community regarding the SEC case. A lot of people are absolutely frustrated, and with good reason. And I completely understand your frustration. But in today's video, I'm going to put a little bit of hope out there for you with some facts that will show you that regardless of how the case goes, Ripple will emerge victorious. So sit tight. Let's get started. As always, we welcome you to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on notifications so you get updates whenever we drop new videos. And don't forget to smash that like button. And remember, you can always leave a comment in the section below. So guys, we need to remember how far XRP has come and how strong the price action has been. In 2021, XRP's price reached $2 while the case was still going on. And I believe this crypto will still reach $10 and continue to soar even higher this altcoin season, even while the case is still going on. More importantly, this is going to be a speculative bull run and not a utility bull run. Now, what do I mean? Well, a speculative bull run is just the natural price action that's based on retail FOMO and perception, the same type of bull run that we had back in 2017 and 2018. And I'm optimistic that it's going to happen in this altcoin season. However, until regulations hit the market or until this case is over, we are not going to have full bloom of this coin. But regardless of that, we will still profit. Another thing that I have to stress, guys, is that I do believe that this altcoin season is coming. Instead of panicking, here's the actual state of the market. What's going to happen next is life-changing. And without a doubt, uncertainty is in the air. Nobody can confidently state the exact movement in the market. However, based on Bitcoin's price action, we can speculate what will happen to the altcoins. And this tweet gives you a clearer picture of that. I saw some news that nobody wants to hear, but we must be true to ourselves and eventually come to terms with everything. John Deaton has been actively involved in the Ripple case and recently just posted something I thought worth mentioning. Almost 2 years and we are still at this case. All briefs are expected to be due in December 2022. And unfortunately, if there's not going to be any settlement, all briefs will be heard in March of 2023. But we all need to understand that a settlement is always possible at any given moment. We might even get one by next week. Who knows? But let's be honest. This is a deep punch to the gut. It seems for a while now, Ripple has been pushing for May, but now the settlement has been pushed to December. It's quite a ways off. Now the U.S. is actually shooting itself in the foot during this revolutionary time. Without a doubt, the Asian market will outperform the American market by a mile if they continue at this pace. Stefan Huber also comes to say more about what is happening regarding the case. He points out a very valid point in this tweet. Folks, I think I finally have it. Challenge my timeline. 1. Obama. Alibaba was investigated for irregularities by the SEC. Then Trump wins the election. 2. Jay Clayton, former Alibaba advisor, becomes SEC chair. 3. Alibaba files a merger request with the SEC to buy MoneyGram. 4. Clayton brings in Hinman, who handled Alibaba's IPO and was named Dealmaker of the Year with Leming Chin, Alibaba, in 2014. 5. Clayton and Hinman want Alibaba to do the MoneyGram deal, but 6. The U.S. National Security Council withdraws authority from the SEC and rejects the MoneyGram Alibaba deal. 7. 3 days later, it's announced that instead of Alibaba, Ripple gets the deal and MoneyGram wins. 8. The SEC, Hinman, and Clayton start working with the Brooklyn Project, Consensus, Quorum, and the Ethereum Alliance. 9. Alibaba JP Morgan Ethereum Alliance gets back at Ripple with the free pass and regulatory clarity for Ethereum. 10. This could also explain the huge hatred for Ripple. Maybe Ripple was responsible for not using MoneyGram to test Ethereum-based cross-border payments. Imagine, guys, this is actually what is happening in the crypto world. Now I understand why we got sued in the first place. It goes way deeper than JP Morgan, and it goes deep into China as well. From my opinion, I think Ripple actually facilitated a coup of the future financial system. And this case is an attempt of a counter coup, and it's failing terribly. Similarly to Ethereum 2.0 being delayed over and over again. To get a clearer perspective, we need to look at the global community and what is happening regarding cryptos. Now, apparently the Ukraine is banning Bitcoin purchases with local currency amid martial law. Now, what's even worse, Russia apparently supplies 11% of global Bitcoin hash rate. What's more, Russia is the third largest miners in the world, so the U.S. decided to sanction Russian Bitcoin miners because they're afraid Russians could use this as an opportunity to get around sanctions already placed on them. There are several theories that Putin was the one who created Bitcoin. Well, that's only speculation, and it sounds a little absurd. Again, there's no grounding on that theory. But remember, anything could happen in the crypto market. We now have a severe inflation problem in the world, 8.5%. But chances are that's a grossly manipulated number. Chances are those numbers are way higher than that. It's probably more close to 25%. The State Fed Reserve stated that they are about to combat this by raising interest rates. With that in mind, the financial markets are about to explode, and everyone will be running to the safest crypto in the world, and in this case, XRP. Now let's talk about the XRP chart. The price is still consolidating after it broke the resistance line. I see that XRP can finish that way soon and try to break it to the upside of flat and resistance zone. XRP can continue growing after that and have chances to get back to the resistance level. In this diagram, I have explained the journey of a trader. When a new trader starts the trading without gaining knowledge or without risk management, you can see how they go. Start off trading journey. When a new trader starts, he earns some money with price movements, and he thought, that's very easy to earn money in the share market. But when beginners move ahead, they make losses and losses again and again. And finally, most traders give up and consider that it's not their cup of tea. The fighter. But the other side, remaining traders start learning the technical analysis, they follow the money management, and finally they start making money. The moral of the story? Follow the proper trading plan. Use proper risk management. Learn before earning, and then earn while learning. As always, do your own research and always trade safely, guys. We continue to pray for the people of Ukraine. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Let us know what you think in the comment section below, and we can have a conversation. Thank you so very much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and please click on that subscribe button below. And be sure to turn on notifications. That way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we will see you on the next Money Side.